up guys, it's Alina and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Alina. Today I'm going to be showing you my 2019 skincare routine. And this is my very first time doing a skincare routine video. But this was highly requested. And when I say highly requested, I mean highly requested. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified every time I post a video. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the very first thing I do is just dampen my face a little bit with some water and drink some water. You gotta drink water. Stay hydrated, kids. And then after that, I use this.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh. Then after that, my mom got me a 3-step cleanser type thing, and so far it's worked really good for me. It's just a gentle cleanser. The first step is to cleanse, which I have this super creamy type cleanser, and it has little micro beads in it, and so I just use that for an all face cleanser. I just wipe that on the table. Whoops. And I use that on my face, and then after that I wash it off because that's step 1. And then after that, for step 2, I use this rejuvenating toner, and it helps remove impurities. So I usually do it around here and around my nose, and this kind of burns a little bit, but it really helps the appearance of your blackheads, especially on your nose. I know my friend came over one time and she used it for the first time, and like she has kind of a lot of blackheads, but not trying to make fun of you. She kind of has a lot more than me, and she used it, and the next morning most of them were completely gone. So I highly recommend this. And by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way, so these are just my best picks for you guys. The next thing, sometimes I use this, sometimes I don't. It's a repairing lotion, which you use after you use these 2 steps. This is step number 3, and it's a repairing lotion. I'm not sure what the purpose for this is, to be honest, but no, it doesn't make your skin greasy or anything. It kind of just absorbs into your skin, which I really like that. So you could use that. And I got all of these. I got these from Walmart. It came in one set. I think it was around $15 for all 3 of them. So I highly recommend that. The next thing I do after I do those 3 or 2, I take off my mascara with the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. I take off my mascara, or if I'm wearing any highlighter or anything, I just do that. And I use this because my mom has always used this, and I enjoy it because after you wash it off, it moisturizes your face. And sometimes my face gets really oily, and then sometimes it's really dry. So sometimes it'll be dry around here, and sometimes it'll just be super oily here and on my forehead. You might be able to tell on the camera because I haven't washed my face today. Because I haven't washed my face like I was supposed to today. Anyways, great way to start off the new year. Great way. After I use this, I go with my top pick out of all of these. Well, almost out of all of these. I got this from the Dollar General, and it is so good. I highly recommend this. It's the African Black Soap Bar with shea butter for troubled skin. It leaves your skin so soft, and I use that with my scrubber thing. This is my mom's. I lost mine, but I use that. I just take it off, and then you can just open it like that and put some water on it and scrub it, and then after that it makes your face super soft, which I really love. And usually after that part, I would do a face mask of some sort. So I have these. I got this little kit from 5 and Below for Christmas, and it's Down to Detox little charcoal masks. This one's a peel off charcoal mask, and then this one is a charcoal clay mask. So I usually use this one around here, sometimes on my forehead. Then after that, I also got this from the Dollar General, and it's a vitamin E moisturizing skin oil. This is vitamin E oil, and you kind of have to do that. And I sometimes put it on my skin where it's the most dry, and it really helps take off scars because I tend to pop my pimples and my dots on my face all the time, so I end up with scars. But this takes it off, and it's super easy, and all you have to do is just kind of put it, like I had maybe 2 or 3 right here, and I popped them and then they left scars, and as you can see only one is left there, so I have to put some on there. So after I use that, I kind of just let it sit there. I don't rub it in all the time, but sometimes I do. Okay. Then after that, I go in with my Mario Badescu lip balm. It says it's for all skin types, so it smells like coconut and it smells so good. So I got this for Christmas as well, and I use that on my lips. Or sometimes I use my cocoa butter formula Palmer's chapstick thing, or I use my EOS lip balms. These smell super good too. I love moisturizing my lips, but the main key to have unchapped lips is water. Mind blown. After that, sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, because of how thick this skincare cream is, but I use this vitamin E skincare cream from Fruit of the Earth, and it's super good. Sometimes I use it as a natural highlighter, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just use it as a moisturizer, but sometimes you have to do a little bit, a very, very, very little bit, and just rub it in your face. But it works super, super good. It takes your scars away off too. So I use that, and it works really good for anti-wrinkles and soothing and moisturizing and taking out your scars and stuff. So I use that. That's usually the end, but sometimes I may go in with the Mario Badescu facial spray, depending if I do it in the morning or at night. At night, I would just go in with the Mario Badescu drying lotion, and sometimes I just put them on the little dots that I have on my face, and you leave that on overnight. That is the end of my skincare routine, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, you can just DM me on Instagram. I have all my socials down in the description box below, so make sure to add me and follow me down there. You can look for them down there. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve party. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Just hit that subscribe button. Just click. Just hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications if they're not already on, so you get notified every time I post a video, because who doesn't want that? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.